Okay, I'm going to show you how to sync your WhatsApp contacts on Android. This will help if your phone contacts aren't showing up in WhatsApp, or if they only appear as phone numbers without names attached. Step 1. We need to make sure WhatsApp has permission to access your contacts. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and from the list, find WhatsApp, either by just scrolling through the list, or you can use the search function too, which might be an easier way to find WhatsApp if you have a ton of apps installed on your phone. Once you're in the WhatsApp app settings, we're going to go to Permissions, and make sure Contacts is set to Allowed. Mine is already allowed here, but if yours is not, you're going to see Contacts and Accounts listed under the Not Allowed category. So you'd simply tap that, change the setting to Allowed, and you're all set. Step 2. After changing the permissions, we're going to want to refresh your contact list within WhatsApp itself. To do that, we're going to open the WhatsApp, and then on the main Chats page, you'll tap the icon to start a new chat. Once you're on that new chat screen, you'll see 3 dots up in the top right corner. So we'll tap those and choose Refresh. That'll update your contact list based on what's currently saved on your phone, and you'll usually see a message saying your contact list has been updated. If your contacts are still missing after that, one more thing worth checking is background account sync. So we'll go to Settings, then scroll down to Accounts and Backup. And on some phones, this menu might be called Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts. Once you're there, tap Manage Accounts. And here, you'll see your accounts listed for different platforms. We'll find WhatsApp on the list, tap into that, and then under Sync Account, you just make sure that the Contacts toggle is turned on. After that, your contacts should be synced, and WhatsApp will see all the contacts saved on your phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video solved your problem. And while you're clicking stuff, click that subscribe button as well. I post similar, quick, and simple guides almost every day. Thanks all.